Once you have bought your Bitcoin or your Ethereum, whatever other crypto that you have purchased, usually we leave it in our spot wallet waiting for that day when the crypto price will go up so that we can be able to cash out. What if there was a way that you could be able to make money as you continue to hold and then make even more money as you wait for the price to go up? It's called Binance Earn, and that's what this video is all about. Let's get those credits rolling. Many crypto investors and buyers are making quite a lot of money with this particular product, and I'll show you exactly how it works, and we'll be able to go through different types of savings products that are available on the platform. On the Binance platform, if you haven't yet signed up, check the first link in the description below. Go under Earn, under Binance Earn. That's where we will start from. This is simple and secure. You can be able to just search popular coins and start earning. For me, I have placed a few of my coins and I can actually be able to show you what I have done so far. And I've done about close to 2,000 shillings just to be able to see how it works. Over the last 30 days, I've made about 41 Kenya shillings. I have some BNB in my spot wallet and some BUSD. That's what I want to come and save here. There are different ways of being able to do this. So the first is under savings. You can have stable earnings with zero fees where you benefit from competitive interest rates. You can stake and earn popular cryptocurrencies from BTC to BNB and others. And then there's a yield generator called BNB Vault. There's also a program called Auto Invest where you can actually accumulate your crypto on autopilot and take the guesswork out of timing the market. That is one under savings. The second is called staking, where you actually start staking with only 10 USDT worth of assets and you reap higher rewards and additional benefits. Then there is DeFi staking, where you can be able to access decentralized finance projects and earn the highest possible returns. Then you have ETH 2.0 staking, where you can join ETH 2.0 staking with minimum investment and low risk, hassle free. And then you have Polkadot slot auction, where you can support projects on the Polkadot system and earn. Then there is farming, where you have liquidity farming, which provides liquidity to earn transaction fees and farm rewards. You have swap farming, where you can enjoy up to 50% rebates on transaction fees that is issued in the Binance coin when you swap. And you have launch pool as well, where you can stake your crypto and earn attractive returns in the form of new tokens. Then you have dual investment, where you commit your crypto holdings and enjoy high returns, where you receive the principal amount and returns in one currency or another. In order for us to be able to start this, we want to start with Binance Earn, but for guaranteed returns. That is usually the easiest to be able to do, and that will work for most people. I want to take you through two different types of savings. One is locked staking, and what locked staking does is you give out your crypto to save, similar like in a bank you would do a fixed deposit account. Here you can place 30 days or 60 days or 120 days or 90 days, whatever period is available for you, but you cannot take your crypto out if you want to earn any rewards on your crypto. This is one that I like because it actually makes me to save. This is one I would recommend because if you are going to HODL, then this is the best for you. The one that I have done before is Binance Coin locked staking, earning 12.99% APY and for 120 days. There are different ones. There's another one for 60 days, which is 6.53%. There's another for 5.86% for 30 days. But usually those two for 30 days and 60 days are usually sold out. We'll just check if they're available. So I'll click on stake, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days and 120 days. All this is available for you. I'll click on 30 days, and the minimum I can be able to lock here is 0.1 BNB, and the available quota is 50,000 BNB. That's the maximum I can be able to do right now, and the total personal quota is 50,000 BNB. And for 60 days you can actually be able to put the same. So I had bought 0.05 BNB, so that will not be enough. I need to buy some more in order to be able to actually stake the amount I have. But let me show you how it works. For this one, we'll actually place 30 days, and you can actually be able to see the staking date, which is the date when you are placing the contract itself, and the value date is when your interest in BNB will start to earn. For me, it will be tomorrow at 3 a.m. and the interest period here will be 1 day, and this goes for a whole month, and redemption period is 1 day. That means that if I lock this now, these funds will be available to me in 2 days time. Today is on the 19th, tomorrow is on the 20th, on Saturday will be 21st. That's when I can be able to access the funds themselves. Then the estimated APY here is 5.86. If I had 0.1 BNB, then I will be able to earn 0.0048165 BNB, which is a current value of $0.145 on 0.1, which is about $30. So I'll have 30.14 within 30 days. If I do 120 days and I'll do 0.1 here, this is about $30 that I'm doing. I'll be able to get 0.12 of a BNB, which is actually really good if you are just saving up, because once you have redeemed this amount, you'll be able to do this over and over again. And here we can actually be able to set the amount that we want, 120 days. For 120 days, they allow you to do even more amount. So the max here is 0.05 that I have. The minimum is 0.01 BNB. Available quota for me now is 0.46, and the total I can be able to do is only 0.5 BNB. I can do auto staking and if I enable this, it will automatically restake a product that has expired to its previous staking immediately. This means that once my 120 days is done and the amount is taken back into my spot account, it would automatically come back and get staked again. The stake date is the time right now. The value date is when the interest will start to accrue, and the interest end date, this is September 17th, and the redemption date when the money will be now back in my account will be on the 19th. APY is adjusted daily on the on-chain staking rewards, and the specific APY is subject to the page display on the day. I'll click on I have read and agree to Binance staking service agreement and click on confirm. That will be really simple for me. That is done. If I want to check what I have right now, what I have been staking right now, you can be able to view that under Earn, and I'll click on the estimated total value, only show what I have already put in place. So I have my Harmony 1, which I subscribed on 26th of April for 120 days, and so far it has earned 0.627 Harmony. And for my BNB on the 25th of April, I put in 0.015, and the reward amount currently is 0.0013512. Another 120 days, I've staked some Solana 0.0933, and I've earned 0.0096404 for 90 days, and currently we are at 28 days on it. And then my first BNB, which I did in March, is currently at 56 days, and it's to go for 120 days, and the amount I've earned right now is 0.0032872. Instead of me spending some small money here and there trying to buy and resell this, trying to capture the market, I just buy and then I stake so that I earn even more money as I wait for these cryptos to actually go up. Since right now we are in a bit of a bear market, this actually helps me a lot because I'm actually buying all these cryptos on sale and then I place them here, and saving them here actually helps me a lot. Another way for you to be able to save this is called flexible savings. The biggest difference between locked staking and flexible savings is in the name itself. For flexible savings, this is where we'll save my BUSD and we have 10.0%, but this is tiered. That means that depending on the amount of BUSD that I am saving, that will determine the amount of APY that I will be getting, or the annual percentage yield that I will be getting on my BUSD. And it is flexible, meaning that I can actually place it here as I wait for good trades that I want to do, and it's earning me money every single day. When I need to actually remove this money and do a spot trade or do a futures trade, I can actually be able to just deduct it here. What I'll do is I'll click on subscribe. This is a little different because the other one was staking. This is a subscription. With this, we'll actually be able to state flexible, and the available we have here is 10, which will actually place here. The minimum is 0.1 BUSD, so it's pretty simple. And if you don't yet have it in your spot wallet, you can actually buy some here, which I'll click on buy now if we want to buy, and we can actually be able to state how much we want to buy. So we'll click and say we want to buy 15 and then click on continue, and that will be able to buy very simply. We'll click on continue. This shows you how you can be able to buy this on your card. This is a card that I have, and I'll click on confirm. I'm being charged 0.31 USD. Click on confirm. The purchase is done. I'll click on go to wallet, and here I can actually be able to show you the amount has already been put in my spot wallet. So I'll click on max. Then the subscription date is today. The value date is when it will start being recognized as a saving. Here you'll see the APY tier rate. Tier 1 is between 0 and 2000 BUSD. This is to encourage very new users to be able to save something and get 10% APY. Tier 2 is between 2000 and 20,000 BUSD. You'll be getting 2% APY. And tier 3, anything above 20,000 BUSD, you'll be getting 1%. The estimated interest here, I'll be making 0.0066 BUSD per day. I'll click on I have read and I agree, and I click on confirm. The subscription success is shown here, and I can be able to actually see that I have placed in everything that I would have done. So click on account here just to be able to see where we are. And here we are with our flexible savings, 24.189. It hasn't yet started accruing interest, but it will. But the estimated APY is 10%. The good thing is the interest here will actually be transferred to my spot wallet. In order for me to be able to accumulate this money in the flexible earnings, I can click on auto transfer. This will actually do a look at my spot wallet, and the BUSD that is there will actually be brought here. This is a good way of just picking up all the interest that is in your spot wallet to actually bring it on to the Binance Earn. That is how to save your money and earn crypto using Binance Earn. If you want to learn how to be able to purchase Bitcoin using P2P, check this video that is up here, and I'll see you in the next one.